Supernova explosion SN 1987A. On February 23, 1987, astronomers detected a brilliant supernova in the Large Magellanic Cloud. This explosion is the closest supernova to Earth in nearly 4 centuries. Hubble telescope played a pivotal role in unraveling the mysteries of SN 1987A. SN 1987A is approximately 20 times the mass of our Sun. Hubble's observations revealed a rapidly spinning object at the center of SN 1987A. This object was identified as a neutron star, the collapsed stellar core. Continuous observations by the Hubble have revolutionized our understanding of supernovae and the lives of massive stars.